Welcome to my pre-algebra class. We're on the second part of this one assignment. We're on 14.6, which is finding the surface area and the volume of a sphere. So here we have a ball. If we actually take the outside surface of a ball apart, we end up with 4 circles. And your book shows a diagram of that. So surface area, the outside space of this ball or sphere, is 4 pi r squared. So we have 4. Pi will use 3.14 since 12 is not divisible by 7 times 12 squared. So using our calculator, we get 4 times 3.14 times 12, which is 150.72, and this is area, surface area, so it'd be meters squared. Now if we want the amount of space inside the ball or sphere, our formula now becomes 4/3 pi r cubed. And you'll learn how that formula is obtained in geometry. So we have 4/3 pi, and since 21 is divisible by 7, we need to use 22/7. And the radius is cubed, so I'm going to write 21 3 times because I can see the 7 will cancel and the 3 will cancel. So 3 goes into 21 7. 7 goes into 7 once. So all I have to do now is take the 4 times the 22 times 21 times 21, and I get my answer, 38,808 cubic meters. Okay, keeping those formulas in mind, we're ready to do the evens, and this was from the last page, so we're now on 651, and we're doing 1 through 14. So problem number 2, we're to find the surface area. So surface area equals 4 pi r squared, 4 circles. So 5 is not divisible by 7, so 4 times 3.14 times 5 squared. So if we're using our calculator, 4 times 3.14 times 5 squared is 314, and it's surface area, so 314 feet squared. Problem number 4, find the volume. So we have a sphere with a diameter of 24. So our radius would be 12. So we want 4/3 pi r cubed. So 4/3 times pi, and we're going to use 3.14. And the radius is cubed. I'm going to put the 12 down 3 times because I can see I can cancel the 3 with that. So all I have to do is take 4 times 3.14 times 4 times 12 squared, or 2 of those. And my answer is 7,234.56 cubic inches. Problem number 6. We have a sphere with a radius of 18, not divisible by 7, so we're going to use 3.14, so it's 4/3 pi r cubed. So 4/3 times 3.14, and the radius is 18, and it's cubed, so I'm just going to times it by 18 times 18. The 3 goes out, makes a 6 there, cancel that, so it's 4 times 3.14 times 6 times 18 was used twice, squared, and my answer is 24,416.64 centimeters cubed. Number 8, it says the radius of a basketball is 12 inches. Find the volume. So the radius is 12. Volume of a basketball is 4/3 pi r cubed. 12 is not divisible by 7, so we'll use 3.14. But I know that 3 goes into 12, so I'll go ahead and cancel. So I have 4 times 3.14 times another 4 times 12 squared, and I get 7,234.56 centimeters cubed. Problem number 10, we want the volume of a soccer ball. The diameter equals 22. Half of that would be 11, not divisible by 7. So volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So it's 4/3 times 3.14 times 11 cubed. Since 3 doesn't go into any of those numbers, I'm going to take 4 times 3.14 times 11, and you should have a cube key, so you can use it. Hit the equal sign, and then divide. We got to take a third, divide by 3. And we get our answer, which is 5,572 point, and they rounded to the nearest hundredths when it didn't terminate, so 45 centimeters cubed. Number 12, they want you to find the surface area and the volume of the sphere described. So this one is the radius is 63. So 2 parts. A, surface area is 4 pi r squared. Since 63 is divisible by 7, we'll use 22/7. Radius squared is 63 times 63. So I did that so we can cancel the 7 with the 63. It goes 9. And then all we have to do is take 4 times 22 times 9 times 63, and we get our answer, which is 49,896 inches squared. And that's the surface area. Part B, there's 2 parts to these. Volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. And again, we use 22/7, and the 63 is written 3 times. And we can do some canceling here. The 3 goes into 63, 21, and the 7 goes into 21, 3. So we can take 4 times 22 times 3 times 63 squared, and we get 1,047,816 inches cubed. And the last problem, 14, a sphere with a diameter of 90. So if diameter equals 90, the radius equals half of that, 45. First, find the surface area equals 4 pi r squared. So 4, neither is divisible by 7, so use 3.14. Radius squared is 45 squared. So we can take 4 times 3.14 times 45 squared, hit the equal sign, and we get 25,434, and this is area, feet squared. And the volume, formula is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we're using 4/3. Pi is 3.14. The radius is 45, and since 3 goes into 45, I'm just going to write it 3 times. So 3 goes into 45, 15. So now I just need to take 4 times 3.14 times 15 times 45, there are 2 of them, squared, And my answer is 381,510 feet squared. That concludes the evens. Be sure you check the back of the book for the odd answers.